Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with a new review. As you can see, I'm not sitting down. I don't have the best lighting. We are going to be showing you an item that was sent to me, and let me just get the name because I keep forgetting the name. It's AOOU. This is a seller on Amazon who sent to me a jewelry organizer, armoire, whatever you want to call it. So I just wanted to show you that, show you the product itself, the storage, and if it's worth getting. So again, this company is called AOOU. I'm calling it AOOU because I'm assuming it's not going to be called AOOU. So the item is called the Jewelry Organizer Jewelry Cabinet with LED lights, and I'm looking at it from the phone so that I can get the correct description. This is a large capacity dressing room mirror, and this is for $119.99. So I just wanted to show you the product here, and maybe you see my husband in the background filming. I'm not sure, you probably do, but I just wanted to show you, first of all, this item can be put over the door, or it has screws and you can put it on the wall or what have you. I didn't really want to do any damage to my walls, so we decided to get the bezels that are included with the shipment, and we hung it on the door. So it is on the back of the door. Here is the full-length mirror so you can see yourself properly, and this is a very good quality mirror. It's top quality, made of glass, being very careful. The item is very heavy, so if you do decide to get this product, please be warned, you cannot put this up by yourself, or at least I don't recommend it unless you have a lot of muscles going on. It's an extremely heavy product. I couldn't do it. I had to get my husband to set it up for me. So here is the full-length mirror again, and once you open the product, it's really a beautiful item to me. First of all, as you can see, this is all white wood. All this product is made of white wood, which makes it very clean, very sophisticated, very simple. As you can see, the 6 LED lights are on here, which require, I believe it's a AAA battery if I'm not mistaken, and you simply put it up here. There's a small compartment. So once you close the door, this little, little switch thingy here, which obviously is controlled by the door. So once you close the door, the light turns off, and vice versa. You open the door, the light turns on. This is really a nice, classic quality of this armoire. Really makes it so pretty, especially if you don't have adequate lighting or anything like that. As you can see here, this has a lot of places where you can store your beauty products. It has, one here, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves where you can put your beauty products. As you can see, I started filling it up with some items. I have like some masks down here. I have like my eye creams, antibacterial creams, and things like that. Little knickknacks. This has a sleeve. It kind of reminds me of like a kangaroo pouch that you can also put your items in. It has this section where you are able to put your bracelets, you're able to put your necklaces. If you can see this, all of these where you can hang your earrings. I have a couple of chains down here, some bracelets, and up here so far, I'm slowly putting them in. I have my earrings that I'm putting on here. Also on the bottom, you can see that there are 2 little drawers that are included, which are small, and you can put little products in there. Oops, wrong place. So this is really, really nice. I really think that it's beautifully crafted. At first when I saw the product, and I don't know if it was just me for the moment, when I saw this, I kind of was like, it looks like it's not finished, you know what I mean? But I actually got used to the style, and it's actually really beautifully done. Very smooth, very, very nice, the design. The mirror is just awesome. I love it very much. Now this one is in white. They also have it in black. I went online to see if the white one is in stock. The white one is not in stock, so if you are interested in this product, right now they only have it in black. I will include the link below if you like this product, but I wanted to get this out there. It's funny because I've always wanted an armoire, but you know, it's just something that you don't, I guess I didn't want to invest my money in it. But definitely took advantage of this offer from this great company on Amazon. Thanking them very much for this opportunity. And I just wanted to get it out there and show you guys. This is the ultimate space saver if you have a room where you have limited capacity, if you're somewhere where, you know, your room is small, or maybe you have too many things and you just need a little bit of extra storage. This is perfect for your jewelry. I mean, this stores so many pairs of earrings, so many bracelets and chains. The fact that it has even these two hooks here where you can actually put a little bit of heavier things if you want, like heavier chains or things like that. This is really great to have. And another cool thing about the product, and I don't have my keys around, I think they're somewhere, but on the side of the product there actually is a lock. So it came with 2 keys and you can actually lock up the armoire, which is great if you have children, if you have people that are coming over and they're just nosy people, what have you. You can, you know, instantly lock up your armoire and it's safe from nosy and prying hands. So I just wanted to show you this product. It's a great product, and if you're looking for a product like this, something that would be kind of affordable, because armoires really are not all that cheap. They are expensive. They can be expensive. So I'm going to put the link again below for this product. If you're interested in this product, again, they only have it in black. Hopefully it'll come in white. Not 100% sure, but love my product. Just wanted to get that out there. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching this video. Adios.